Here we are, 4 ACP cycles. This is a 2003 Suzuki SV650. It's going to be pretty much for complete part out, and just want to show you it has no keys. Did not come with a key set. I do have another key set because I have about 10 of these bikes now, so we're going to go ahead and start this up for you. So go ahead and turn the key. There's a fuel pump priming. Sounds like it has a wall bar or something in it. I'm going to just fire it up for you.